I'm gonna go over the dance moves step by step for this snippet of the Queen of Hearts. We're gonna start with our right leg popped, our right arm down. We're facing towards the left with our left arm high in the air. If you are a guy, you can keep your left hand down. Ladies, arms up, and we start with a ball change and a kick front. Ball change front, then we go ball change side, front, cross, arms up and turn. So now we're facing the opposite side. So now our left knee is popped, left arm is down, and we're gonna do the same thing now facing towards the right. Ball change kick front, ball change side, front, cross, arms up and back to where we started. Once we get here, we're going to do chasse, ball change, going towards the right. Chasse, ball change, chasse, ball change. And your arms are going around in a circle in the direction that you're going towards the right, and then back towards the left, around in a circle like that. So it should be chasse, ball change, chasse, ball change. Now we are going to drag. We're going to step with our right foot and go towards the right, and we're dragging our left. So drag together, drag together. Now when you're doing that, you're pushing your arms towards the right. Push together, push together. Then we will do a small side jump or a glissade with our arms up high. So we just did push together, a glissade. So just out, up, land with your foot in the back, your left foot in the back, and ball change out of it. So it should look like this, push together, up, up, ball change. Then we will do windmill spins, 2 full windmill spins back the other way. Now, they're called windmill spins because your arms are like a windmill. So your arms are going like this, like a windmill. Your feet are going step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop. So when you spin, you'll start like this. Left foot will start. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, step. And that will be the end. So I'm gonna do that again, nice and slow, for those of you who have never done a windmill spin before. So your arms should be kind of diagonal, and you're gonna go with your left foot first, step, toe, hop. Now you should be facing back, your arms are gonna switch. Step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, toe, hop, step, step. And I apologize about my cat. I hope that was helpful.